five times a day.
Wait, what's 5 times a day? Let's talk about your new aligner or Invisalign.
When wearing the aligner, you need to wear the appliance for 20 hours a day on clean teeth. If you don't wear them for 20 hours a day, your teeth will not move. When eating and drinking, you need to remove the appliance. Water is definitely okay to have with the appliance in. Before you put your appliance back in after eating or drinking, you need to make sure your teeth are very, very clean. If you put the appliance back in with dirty teeth, it's going to trap all that plaque up inside. Before you go to bed and when you wake up in the morning, you need to take out your appliance and brush it and clean it very, very good. When cleaning, never use heat and try to avoid using toothpaste. If you want your appliance to remain nice and shiny, you can use Dawn dishwasher soap and you can use cold water. In the beginning, you'll experience slurred speech, and that's totally normal. Just try to talk as much as possible. You'll also experience soreness because your teeth are moving, so you can go ahead and take headache medicine. If you are doing Invisalign, we want you to use the chewies 5 times a day. So you'll just bite into the chewy and check for any air gaps on the front teeth. Air gaps mean that the appliance isn't fitting you well, so definitely check for those. If you lose a tray, that's okay, just advance to the next one. Always keep your trays, and be sure to save the last few ones and bring them to your appointment so we can make sure that they're fitting. At first, we'll have you wear your appliance 20 hours a day and have you change them every week or so. Eventually, we may be able to change them every 3 to 5 days, depending on the movement of your teeth. If you have any questions at all about cleaning, eating, or wearing your appliance, please ask us, and we're more than happy to answer any question that you may have.
Now, let's review.
For 20 hours a day on clean teeth. Eating and drinking, you need to remove the appliance. It's slurred speech. Try to talk as much as possible to the chewy and check for any air gaps on the front teeth. Never use heat and try to avoid using toothpaste. To remain nice and shiny, you can use Dawn dishwasher soap and you can use cold water. If you lose a tray, just advance to the next one.
Well, that's the end. Rock your new aligners in Invisalign, and we'll see you next time.